Yay, happy Friday. Whew, it's the week of Harmony guitars. You're looking at a 1945 Harmony Monterey. I restored this guitar for a very good friend of mine who has known me from the day I was born. Maybe the day after, who knows. Anyhow, this is his guitar, and what we're doing today is we're installing a pickup. Look at that. This pickup is made by K&K Sound, and they are located in, Coos Bay, Oregon. You get a warranty with this. Now, the idea behind putting this, part of the complication of putting this pickup is designed to mount under the foot of this saddle, or bridge, I should say. And we could do that, but then you get to see all the wiring and stuff on the top of your guitar. So, rather than do that, we have decided to scoot this pickup and tuck it in right under the end of the neck. It is a transducer, and it's kind of a hybrid technology that they use at Harmony or at K&K to pick up vibrations off of the top, and then to also compress or be squished underneath the foot of this saddle or bridge here. So we are not going to do that with this pickup. We're going to give it a shot here in the middle of the neck, underneath the neck here, which may give the guitar a little bit warmer tone. It'd be like a neck position pickup versus a bridge position. It might not be as bright, but that's why you have an EQ on your amplifier. And often a preamp, which this gentleman also purchased at the time of picking up this pickup. So what this will allow me to do is take all this junk and run it through this sound hole right here and hide the pickup, to hide the wire. Well, hang on here, we'll get there. Under that. So it will be virtually invisible. You'll be able to see the wire, and we'll do what we can to hide that, but it's not going to be a wire sticking from here to the back of the guitar or anything like that. And we are going to open up this end pin hole here to a 1/2 inch size and mount the output jack there. So that's the plan. Oh, cross your fingers. I'm crossing mine. Now I'm spreading them. Peace, y'all.